Okay guys, in this lessons right here, we're gonna go over how to convert from vertex form to standard form. And as you can see, vertex form is y equals to a parenthesis x minus h parenthesis square plus k, and we're gonna convert it to standard form, which is y equal to ax squares plus bx plus c, okay? So let's look at number one. So right here, you're given a vertex equation. So step one, what I would do is I would take care of this x minus 2 squared. So we're going to split it into 2 like this. Then the plus 5, we're going to bring it down. But right now, we're just taking care of the blue part, okay? Then we're going to multiply it out. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. That's going to be minus 2x, and that's going to be positive 4. And that plus 5, we're going to bring it down. Now we're going to combine like terms. So it's going to be x squared minus 4x, because these two are the same. And 4 plus 5 is plus 9. And right there, this is our standard form equation. Okay? Okay, let's move on to number 2. Okay, same thing like number 2. We're going to split the parenthesis out into 2. And then we're going to bring down the negative 5. And this 3 right here, let's see. Okay, now we're going to multiply out the blue part, okay? Ignore the pink part for now. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. That's going to be negative 3x, and that's going to be positive 9. And then I'm going to now bring down the blue, the pink part right here. Here, we're going to combine like terms. These two are like terms, so x squared is minus 6x plus 9. Bring the other stuffs down. Now the next step is we're going to multiply the 3 into the parenthesis, okay? So we have 3x squared minus 18x plus 27, and bring down the negative 5. So my answer is 3x squared minus 18x. 27 minus 5 is positive 22. And right there, that is your standard form. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Same thing like the previous problem, we're going to split the x minus 5 into 2. And then bring in positive 8. But here, see that's negative. I'm going to put a negative 1 right there to remind myself, okay, to multiply at the end. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. That's minus 5x. That's positive 25 plus 8. So negative 1 times x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus 8. Okay, now we multiply out the negative ones into the parenthesis, okay? Then we have negative x squared, positive 10x minus 25 plus 8. So y is equal to negative x squared plus 10x minus 17. And right there, that's your standard form, okay? Okay, moving to the last problem. We're going to split the x plus 4 into 2 parts, and then we take care of it one at a time. Bring down negative 3 and plus 3, okay? So x times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x, and that's going to be 4x, and that's going to be 16, okay? Now negative 3 times x squared. This combined, you get 8x plus 16 plus 3. Now we're going to bring in the negative 3, multiply it out. So we get negative 3x squared minus 24x minus 48. And then bring down the positive 3. So right here is going to be negative 3x squared minus 24x minus 45. And voila, that is our standard form right there, guys. Now, go ahead, complete the last 2 problems on the board, okay? Have fun.